Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, in this video I will be answering the comments that we have got in the last video that we uploaded on 15th July. And if you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section. I will make the video to answer them as well. Before we move on to comments, just want to clarify a few things. Firstly, regarding joining. So all the queries regarding joining, please be aware that joining in TCS mostly happens in Q2, which is going on July, August and September, but it goes late as well. So there is no certainty when the joining will come, but I am quite confident that it will come in August, September mostly. Okay, so you can keep that hope, but there of course joining happens late as well. After September also joining happens, and even after December also joining happens. So if the business requirements are like that, we cannot guess the joining. We have to wait and watch only. That is the only solution regarding the joining. And again, another thing is regarding the new TCS user interface for the next step portal. So TCS have recently updated their user interface for the next step portal. So whenever such changes are done, there are some corrections and some things are not updated. So because of which some students are not able to track their application or see their status. So please give them some time. This things happens whenever any big change is done, and after some times you shall be able to see the status like earlier when you used to see in the last interface. Okay, so apart from this two queries, will answer the other queries. All right, next. सर FT में 5 क्वेश्चन अटेंड नहीं किए तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो सकता है कि नहीं? डिपेंड करता है. It depends upon how did you scored the other questions. Number one, what is the overall cutoff, how many requirements are there. So multiple things are there which will decide whether you will be selected or not. So I have given the interview on 9th July. So when the results will come, it will take some time because the interviews are not done for Ignite. So still interviews are going on. So I think July end तक आएगा. कुछ कह नहीं सकते, but yeah, it can take some time. Next, so I got cognizant letter of intent and they are asking for 10 mark sheet, but in my 10th mark sheet my name is surname, but in my name is name surname, but in the rest of the surname name. What will that create? I don't think so. It will create problem because this type of things happen. But if they raise an objection, you can submit an affidavit. An affidavit should be accepted. If not, they will guide you what to do. Okay, because cognizant how they treat such cases, I'm not sure, but it is, to me it is fine. Number one, if not, then an affidavit shall justify the same. Next, so upload a document into 6M mark sheet, but I uploaded the result copy. Is there any problem in that? Also clarify about doubt about joining. No, it is fine. You can upload the result copy, but they will ask you to submit the mark sheet later. So as of now it is fine, but later they will definitely verify the mark sheet. Regarding joining, I already addressed this in the starting. My TCS Ignite was on 10th July. When will I get notice of second round? It will take some time, as I had mentioned. So please wait till July end. Next, I have got offer letter from May 29. And survey mail I got received. There is no mail. After that, there is no mail should come and joining mail. I have already told you survey mail. Okay, is fine if you filled it, not filled it. It is just to take an idea about how are the student placed in terms of joining. But joining, as I mentioned in the starting, will depend on multiple factors, and you have to wait and watch. TCS Ignite is declared or not. जिनके interviews अभी जुलाई में हुए हैं, उनका तो I have not heard that the results are announced as of now. Okay. Sir, please reply me. I was interviewed in TCS and on portals in best status. In recent UI, the check my application disappeared from my Basically, I also told this earlier that TCS have made change in their user interface, and when they do such kind of changes, there are few things which are not updated. Not just you, but many students are not able to track their status of application. So nothing can be concluded out of it because you are not alone who is facing this issue. There are others as well. So I don't think so any interpretation can be made from this. Sir, I'm not getting check my application. Just I answered this. July shortening result waiting. It will take some time. Next. Sir, I also cleared smart email 22nd April in Chennai. After 1 month, got regret message on TCS portal. After some time, notification and displayed. but still application ranking is spread in new portal. Can I wait? Less chances because April interview results were announced some time back, so I don't think so. So very less chances. Next, in TCS documentation, Aadhaar card format of the name, first name, middle name, last name. So document format name is last name, first name, middle name. So will be accepted by company. Yeah, this kind of thing happens in India. Let me tell you, different state have different formats, and it is fine. I don't think so it will create any problem. If at all, if it create a problem, they will take an affidavit from you. All right. If a person attend the Ignite interview, what is the percentage of getting Ignite role and what is the percentage of getting smart role, what is the percentage of getting rejected? It completely depends on interview performance. If you have done well in the interview, you will get Ignite. If you have not done very good, then you can get smart. And if you were not able to answer anything, if you were not able to justify even basics, you will not be selected. नेक्स्ट सर TCS स्मार्ट हायरिंग का एग्जाम 14 जून को दिया था, अभी तक कोई मेल नहीं आया, मतलब रिजेक्शन हो गया है रिजल्ट का, ये नहीं आया अभी तक, प्लीज अप्लाई। रिजल्ट्स इंटरव्यू अभी हो रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टिल गेटिंग द मेल, सो डोंट लूज योर होप्स, अभी भी आ सकता है, इस वीक आप वेट करिए बिकॉज अभी भी इंटरव्यूज तो चल रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स कैंडिडेट आर रिसीविंग द कम्युनिकेशन। ओके sir, I haven't spotted in President April, but in the update go to not display definition and that is bottom impression will show. I don't think so. April के results आ चुके हैं, so very less chances. The demand will be quite good. I write the code they asked, but I said I don't know for some question. Last year said relocate is any chance to implement smart position. It depends. If you are able to answer most of the questions and then the questions that you don't know were very tough, so good chances that you can get Ignite. Next, and if we join MC along with smart role, we have to put leaves maximum 1 week. Whether these leaves are manageable or will depend on manager. Because leaves for 1 week is not a big thing, and manager in TCS the work culture is good, so I don't think so as far as taking leaves. You keep a rapport with your manager and keep him informed that in that particular month you will need leaves, and हो जाता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, so that is manageable. All right, so I think we are done with all the queries. Thank you so much.